So, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how long it has been.
Hey guys, it's Victor. Today we'll be doing another unboxing, a review, and a recap of our
Ah, God, ridiculous English right there. Yeah. So I back for this project 4 years ago. I guess that's in 2017 or 2016 of Kickstarter. I got a white and a light blue one. Pretty much packaged in the same way as this, but it comes with a little bag like this as well. And also a full black one, just all black. This is what I found in Kmart today in Australia. Let me just bring up the receipt. So it's a here. Where is it? There you go. There you go. So Fidget Cube, $9. That one here. Fidget Cube, $9. Pretty sure that's a far way cheaper price than what I paid for than when I backed for it 4 years ago. Yeah, I went ahead and grabbed one. There's like a couple of other colors available at Kmart when we went there today, me and my wife. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit of a weird situation because the first time when I did the review on the original one from Kickstarter, I was still back in Malaysia. Now currently I'm based in Australia. Yeah. Yeah, pretty stoked to find one that's actually, let me see if that focus right there, there you go. Yeah, it's fully, what do you call it, transparent? Yeah, it's pretty much transparent, a little bit frosted. Yeah, just the focus point, yeah. Yeah. It still says Antsy, the same stuff. Unfortunately, I don't keep the original box that came with the original Fidget Cube anymore. I guess I did, but I was not here. It's like back in Malaysia or something. I don't know where it went. But yeah, pretty much the same kind of box. Slightly a different shape, I guess. It's not as square. Slightly tapered to the top, whatever. Slightly better packaging, I guess, because that actually holds it in place. So you know, if you actually ship it elsewhere in the world, it doesn't actually fall out of where it should be. Versus the original one, the one where mine came from, it was like already dislodged from where it was sitting inside the box or the case, if you call it. Which is nice because it doubles as a very nice little display case. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's like. If it actually feels even the tiniest bit different from the original one. So same thing, I guess, hold down by 2 pieces of round tapes around here. Two tapes on the side there. Okay, first thing, the little bag that came with the original Fidget Cube, that was usually stuffed like right at the bottom of the case. That has since been taken away. I guess they just don't find the point in having that in there anymore. I don't have a scale with me right now. I could probably do some measurement on the weight tomorrow or something, but it does feel a little bit heavier. Yeah. Alright, let's go through the few features of the Fidget Cube and see if there's any difference at all. The ball clicks, feels pretty much the same, but there's, I don't know if you can hear that. It's a lot louder. The original one is sort of silent. Let's go ahead and try out the spinning gears. Again, a lot louder. Yeah, definitely a lot louder. The clicky switches. Wow. Actually, the original one feels a lot better. It's just a lot smoother, and the click is like the amount of energy required to like do this. It's so much lighter on the original one. This is the retail one. Well, I'll call this one a retail one because it's already in a retail store, you know. Yeah, that's a little bit more energy required there, definitely. The thumbsticks pretty much still the same. The spinning disc, alright, that's interesting. I'm not too sure if it's making a little bit more sound due to the fact the material used is slightly different on the retail one, or I don't know. Yeah, it's a lot louder in terms of feel. There's a bit more resistant on the original one. Apparently this one's supposed to mimic like a worry stone or something, so I guess there's nothing much about that to talk about. Pretty much still the same. What else have we made? Okay, the buttons. Or the button, what you would call it in the UK. The button. So what's with the button? Pretty much still feel the same. Yep, not much of a difference for the button. So just to recap, thumbstick feels the same, button feels the same, the clicky ball feels the same, just slightly tiny bit louder on the retail one versus the original one. Spinning gears is a bit louder on the retail one. Yeah, everything on the original one has a bit more resistance when it spins, where it spins. Even with the switches, there's a bit more resistance on them as well. Yeah, besides that, yeah. Conclusion, I would say the original has a slightly better quality. Rightfully so as well, because you pay more money for it, and you know, being backers of the project back then 4 years ago, I guess they just use slightly better materials versus the retail ones. It's just $9. I'm not too sure how much I paid for the original one. I wonder, you know, let me see if I can just find that quickly. So I paid for $54 in US dollars, I guess. Okay, so the shipping fee is $19, and the cube themselves is $35 for for 2 of them, and I paid a total of $54. Okay, let's get rid of the shipping fee, shall we? So it's $35 for 2, so that's well over $17, $17.5 to be exact, in US dollars as well. And versus the current retail price for them at Kmart in Australia, it's $9. Yeah, but you don't, for the price that you pay, you don't get the little cotton bags. I would say it's microfiber bag, if that's important to you. I don't know if you can still order them through Kickstarter. I don't think so. That's only for backers back then, 4 years ago. But yeah, now you can pick one up from Kmart for just $9. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, subscribe. I don't do much videos, but if you do, yeah, just give the video a like and subscribe to me, and I'll try to make more videos in the near future. See you guys later.